Welcome to The Shift Zone, the place where we break down cars that matter to real drivers, real roads, and real daily needs. Here, we talk about vehicles not just as machines, but as tools that shape work, family life, and mobility. Today on The Shift Zone, we are focusing on a vehicle that has become a symbol of practicality and reliability in many markets, especially for small businesses and urban transport, the 2026 Chevrolet Damaze. The 2026 Chevrolet Damaze continues the legacy of a compact van that has earned its reputation through simplicity, affordability, and unmatched utility. This is not a vehicle designed to impress with flashy curves or high-tech gimmicks, but one that delivers value through function. For years, the Damaze has been trusted by shop owners, delivery drivers, and families who need maximum space in a minimum footprint, and the 2026 version builds on that core philosophy while adapting to modern expectations. From the outside, the 2026 Chevrolet Damaze retains its familiar boxy silhouette, a design that exists for one reason alone: to maximize interior space. The upright stance, short overhangs, and tall roof make it extremely easy to maneuver through narrow city streets while still offering impressive cargo and passenger capacity. Subtle updates in the front fascia, lighting elements, and body detailing give it a refreshed look without compromising the iconic shape that users depend on. Everything about the exterior is honest and purposeful, with durability taking priority over decoration. Step inside the 2026 Chevrolet Damaze and the focus on practicality becomes even clearer. The cabin is designed to be simple, robust, and easy to maintain. Materials are chosen for durability, able to withstand daily use in commercial and family environments. The dashboard layout is straightforward, placing essential controls within easy reach of the driver. There is no unnecessary complexity, which is exactly what longtime Damaze users appreciate. Seating is upright and functional, offering good visibility and ease of entry and exit, a crucial factor for drivers who spend long hours behind the wheel. One of the strongest points of the 2026 Chevrolet Damaze is its versatility. Depending on the configuration, it can serve as a passenger van, a cargo carrier, or a mixed-use vehicle. For families, it provides seating that can accommodate multiple passengers comfortably within its compact dimensions. For business owners, the rear area can be configured to transport goods efficiently, making it ideal for deliveries, market supply runs, and service-based work. The flat load floor and tall cargo area make loading and unloading simple and time-saving. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet Damaze is expected to continue with a small displacement, fuel-efficient engine that prioritizes reliability and low running costs. This powertrain is not about speed or aggressive performance, but about consistent operation in stop-and-go traffic and long working days. Fuel efficiency remains a major strength, helping owners keep expenses under control in a time when operating costs matter more than ever. The engine is tuned for smooth and predictable behavior, making it easy to drive even for those with limited experience. On the road, the 2026 Chevrolet Damaze feels exactly as it should for a vehicle of its purpose. The light steering and compact size make it easy to navigate congested urban areas, while the elevated driving position provides a clear view of the road ahead. Suspension tuning focuses on carrying loads comfortably rather than spotty handling, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces commonly found in city environments. Braking performance is designed to be stable and dependable, especially when the vehicle is fully loaded. Safety in The 2026 Chevrolet Damaze is approached with a practical mindset. Basic safety features are included to meet modern standards and provide peace of mind for drivers and passengers. The vehicle's simple mechanical design also contributes to safety by being predictable and easy to control. High visibility from the driver's seat, thanks to large windows and a tall seating position, further enhances confidence in daily driving situations. What truly defines the 2026 Chevrolet Damaze is its affordability and low cost of ownership. This is a vehicle built for people who need dependable transportation without financial strain. Maintenance is straightforward, spare parts are generally accessible, and repairs are uncomplicated. This makes the Damaze especially attractive in markets where durability and serviceability are more important than luxury features. For many owners, the Damaze is not just a vehicle, but a business partner that works every day without complaint. In a world where vehicles are becoming increasingly complex and expensive, the 2026 Chevrolet Damaze stands as a reminder that simple solutions still have immense value. It serves communities, supports small businesses, and provides mobility to those who prioritize function over form. Whether it is used to transport goods, carry passengers, or support daily work, the Damaze continues to prove why it has remained relevant for so long. The 2026 Chevrolet Damaze is not trying to compete with modern SUVs or high-end vans, and that is exactly its strength. It knows its purpose and executes it with clarity and consistency. For buyers looking for a compact, reliable, and cost-effective van that gets the job done without unnecessary complications, the Damas remains a smart and trusted choice. This is the kind of vehicle that quietly keeps cities moving, businesses running, and families connected, and that is why it continues to matter in 2026.